friends. Ang tingin
Lagi ka kasi hindi tumitingin sa daanan mo.
Hindi na lang, medyo ako ng tagasan ko.
Tigwata, para kamalit tayo.
my sleepover. Ang tawag niya sa mami ko ay tita. Bakit ba di ko nun nakita until out of the blue? Ang feeling so true, bigla na lang sinabi sa akin that this guy is in love with you, pare. This guy is in love with you, pare. This guy is in love with you, pare. Bading na bading sa'yo.
Sakit na guys, kasi sayang. Ayun, tingnan mo si Luka. Dami na pag-purchase sa kanya.
Ah, siya. Marami na yung fans club, everyday na yan. Normal na yan.
Uy, Jong, Excel, sama kayo dito.
Hindi na, pero hindi lang ako.
Sure ka?
Yeah.
Sige.
Kuya, ang tahimik mo naman.
Pagod lang ako, hayaan mo naman.
O baka may inisip.
Huwag nga ako. Kumain ka na ako, Angel.
Para lang sa sulyap mo, ako'y mamamanata.
Yo! Okay ka lang?
Hindi mo maintindihan kung ba't ikaw ang napapagtripan. Nang halik ng kamalasan, ginapang mong marahan ng hagdanan para lamang makidlatan.
Tara, labas tayo bukas. Tagal na natin hindi nakakalabas.
Oo nga, sobrang stress na natin sa mga project sa exam.
Sige, gusto ko ng milk tea, tsaka biscuit. Sarap yan.
Ikaw, Jules, ako ka?
Bisa mo rin ako para kompleto tayo.
Dahil wala ring mangyayari, tayo'y walang mapapala. Huwag mong pigilan ang pagbuhos ng ulan. May panahon para maging hari, may panahon para madapa. Dahil ang buhay natin ay sadyang ganyan. Umaraw, umuulan. Umaraw, umuulan. Ang buhay ay sadyang
Di ba? May kagana ko din yung nabanding. Like, kaling after ko exam, deserve na natin. Deserve? Uy, Angel, kakamok na ba't parang may magpa-picture sa ako? Oo, okay. Mandraw ka, hindi ko nasipo.
Every second counts.
Sige, di mo. Sige, natawa.
All these little games, you can call me by name. Yesterday.
Okay, para makita yung mga guwapa.
nila team sa basketball.
Ang emoji. Ang emoji din.
Ikaw pa rin, araw-araw kitang niligawan.
Jump, okay ka na? Gusto naman yung exam.
Bagsak na pero... Sige pre, mauna na ako.
Uy, Jo. Ingat ka. Ingat ka.
Bye guys!
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Okay. Bye-bye.
Angel, punta ka muna sa taas.
Po, tita.
Saan ka na naman galing?
Ang gabi kami namang uwi.
Si mga sabi mo kaiban? Mga tomboy na sabi, mga bayot na sabi.
Nay, bigang ko lang po.
Ang out, alam mo naman ayaw namin sa mga kaibigan mong yun.
Mga tomboy na dyan. Gusto rin ako na maputiktahan ka na. Di, kapayaman ako na. Makasabot ra ka kung dako na ka.
Ma! Kasalanan ko bang maging masaya kahit sandali na?
Tubag-tubag na ka, oh! Wala mo respeto!
Ma! Grabe ka naman!
Wala kang respeto, bata. Sabi ko nga eh, dahil yan sa mga masamang kaibigan mo.
Kuya Jom, okay ra ka?
Oo, sanay lang. Okay lang. Nasaan na yung notebook ko?
I can't quite explain how the world slows to a hush.
The moment you appear.
Maybe Newton was right.
For
For every action, there's a reaction. Because when the universe pauses in your presence,
My heart does the opposite. It races, it trembles, it forgets the laws of motion. Maybe gravity isn't what's pulling me closer. It needs you.
And I don't wanna go home right now. And all I could taste is this moment. And all I can breathe is your light. And sooner or later it's over. I just don't wanna miss you tonight. And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand.
Hey guys, so that story back there was a bit intense, but let's pause for a moment and really understand the science and the ideas behind it, specifically the three laws of motion. Let's start off with Newton's first law, the law of inertia. Remember when Joe Marie grabbed his notebook off the bench? It stayed on the bench until he grabbed it. It stated in Newton's law of inertia that any object at rest will stay at rest unless a force acts upon it. Second law, force is equal to mass and acceleration. When Joe Marie ran across the street, his mass and his acceleration created a force. The car's impact as a result of the force is what inevitably caused the tragic incident. Lastly, we get to Newton's third and final law, the law of action and reaction. As Newton states in this law, every action has an equal and opposite reaction. The force from the car hitting Joe Marie caused both him and his notebook to move. That was the reaction to that action. So yeah, even in love, even in tragedy, science is everywhere. Actions have reactions, and every little motion tells a story.